What is up, camera addicts? Today is Friday, March 30th, and this is your Focus Report. To start off, action photographers have something to look forward to. GoPro just announced a brand new Hero, and here's the kicker. It's only $200. The accessible to all model joins its $300 and $400 siblings in the GoPro lineup. With a 2-inch display and 10 megapixels, it's just shy of the 12 megapixels of the Hero 6 Black. Like those that came before it, this GoPro is compatible with all 30 plus GoPro accessories. In addition, this model will also provide stabilization and voice recognition, so you can really go wild flinging yourself to all ends of the earth. If you're the type of person who likes to take videos on your iPhone, then you'll love this new gear from Moment. With an anamorphic lens, iPhone X battery photo case, gimbal counterweight, and filter mount, you can start shooting cinematic video right on your smartphone. While not exactly on par with your mirrorless or DSLR, features like the anamorphic lens let you capture widescreen footage with minimal chromatic aberration. Meanwhile, the iPhone X case acts as a photography battery case with both wireless charging and electronic shutter button, so you can work without touching your screen. Lastly, we have to talk about the incredible story of a camera that washed up on a beach in Taiwan, as reported by the BBC. Lost for 2 years, it belonged to a Japanese university student who was vacationing on the island of Ishigaki in 2015. Wrapped in a waterproof case, he dropped the camera while scuba diving and assumed it would be lost forever. But instead, it washed up covered in barnacles and in perfect working condition, pictures and all. When the university student took it out of the case and turned the power button on, the camera was even still charged. That's it for this week's report. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up on the way out.